There you go, guys, the Shadow Fight 2 hacker mod for iPhone and Android. I'm going to show you guys how to download it. For better or worse, this is going to give you unlimited money. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your device. Now, before we download it, guys, I do want you to go on settings, go to battery, and turn off any low power mode enabled. Next thing we're going to do is go over to tweakmod.com. We're going to go to the search bar, guys, and what we're going to do is just type in Shadow Fight 2. You can see we got our Shadow Fight 2 mod right here. So press install and it's going to start installing it. So now we just got to wait for it to download. It's very easy to download, guys, so you shouldn't have to wait that long. So before it downloads, guys, you may see something come up telling you that you got to download some missing files. So this is normal, guys. It's part of the process, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. All right, so yeah, super insane, bro. All right, so the Shadow Fight 2 mod is downloading now, as you can see. All right, so once it's done, we should be all set. So here it is, and you can see right here, it's almost done. So basically, it's going to say missing files are required. So there's going to be all these apps, and you got to download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions. They're 100% free, and they're from the official store. So Travel Town says reach level 10, so just press on it, press continue. Brings you to the store, you download and reach level 10. So it's pretty simple. It's just a game. Most of them are games, guys, so you just got to like run them and stuff. But sometimes there are going to be some other apps, like they have TikTok down here, down install, use it for 3 days in a row. But that's just too much of a pain in the ass for me, so I did the game. There's also Merge Gardens, where you got to reach level 9. And also, guys, apparently in other parts of the world, people have different apps. So I'm in the United States, so that's the ones they show for me. There is a video to watch if you're confused, so if I'm not that great at explaining things to you, maybe the video will help you more. But that's how to get the Shadow Fight 2 hack. You get unlimited money, guys. It's super insane. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because Shadow Fight 2 is so good. And what happens with Shadow Fight 2 is the game is just generally not going to let you achieve this amount of money ever. And some people might say, oh, it's cheating. But yeah, I mean, I would rather have unlimited money. It's an offline game. It's not like I'm hurting anyone online. It's just an offline game, and I think I deserve unlimited money. So it's super cool. There's also like text now. You got to make a 30-second phone call. You could do that one. And then, of course, they have the misplay one, which is kind of difficult. But yeah, guys, it's pretty easy. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'll see you later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get a Shadow Fight 2 hack for iPhone and Android, guys. So yeah, it's super insane, bro. This actually works. And as I said before, a lot of people will doubt you. They'll tell you that there's no way you can get Shadow Fight 2 hacked. So you might start to believe that you can't. But hopefully my video today showed you that, yes, it's possible to get a Shadow Fight 2 hack or mod, whatever you want to call it, for iOS and Android in 2025. It's possible. It's time to take to the skies and download this right away, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, tell your friends about it, because it's so good. And a lot of people are going to come at you. They're going to tell you that you can't get it, but it works, guys. So yeah, there's a video to watch if you're confused, but that's how to get Shadow Fight 2 iOS and Android mod menu, unlimited money, and you saw right there all the currency was in the account. So it is fully working, guys. So yeah, peace out, bro. This is so insane, bro.